Welcome to 554 Cora Place. This home is built by EP Mesquite and we are in the Lower Valley. New home construction with all the features that you would see in the newer neighborhoods, but without having to drive so far out. And notice how as we enter, you have your entry, but the rest of the home remains private. In the kitchen, you have this really nice two-tone cabinetry, lots of counter space, even a nice little area where you can have your coffee station if you'd like, plenty of storage with a corner pantry. And you'll notice that each space has its own unique feature, whether it be the brick accent wall or the faux wood beams. In the bathrooms, the cabinets are that rich dark blue. Tops are bright white, which contrasts really nicely with the matte black fixtures. Notice that the tile is carried all the way through the ceiling and in the wall where you have your mirror, which I think adds a really nice touch. The laundry room is located off of the main hallway. It's quite spacious and you have additional storage with cabinetry here as well. The digital thermostat is included, and in the living room, whether it be above the fireplace or on that brick accent wall, you can install a large screen TV. This is the master suite. You have a 5-piece bath, so separate bathtub, separate shower. And actually here you'll be able to see better what I mentioned earlier, which is you have floor to ceiling tile and accent tile. Plus a large walk-in closet with shelving. So we have this home that is move-in ready, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, right under 1,800 square feet. And if you would like to set up a tour of this home in person, please reach out to us. We would love to set that up for you. Even if you do have a realtor, we are realtor friendly. My number is 915-240-2137, or just message us here and we'll set that up.